Welcome to Rainbow Town. It's the most colorful place in the world. Houses like jelly beans, trees with pink and orange leaves, and even green clouds. In Rainbow Town, rainbows stretch across the sky every day, making everyone smile. But who keeps these rainbows bright? Buwak trumai. Fadede jibab pardrichor mas kwak tror crew. Rosie is the leader, always in red, with a bucket of giggles. Pip is speedy, loves yellow, and zips around leaving sunshine behind. Gus is big, calm, and blue. He gives the best hugs and says, "Steady as we go, friends." Lily is clever, loves purple, and mixes colors with her sparkly paint pots. Together their motto is, "No rainbow is too broken for us to fix." Their workshop is a giant polka dot mushroom, filled with buckets of every color. Ladders made of licorice, brushes of dandelion fluff. It's a busy, happy, sometimes messy place. The crew practices color mixing, sings rainbow songs, and keeps their tools shiny. They're always ready for a color emergency. In Rainbow Town, you never know when a rainbow might need help. The rainbow repair crew is always prepared. Every day is an adventure in color. And today, a new adventure is about to begin. Let's see what happens when a rainbow needs fixing. One sunny morning, the crew enjoyed colorful pancakes when, wee woo, the rainbow alarm blared. Pip jumped up, pancakes flying. "Let's go, go, go!" he shouted. Rosie grabbed her red hat. "To the rainbow rocket!" Gus calmly finished his pancake. "Steady as we go, friends!" Lily was already at the door, backpack ready. The alarm meant a rainbow was in trouble, a color catastrophe. Without a full rainbow, the sky looks sad and the world feels gray. The crew rushed outside to their rainbow-striped rocket ship, the Rainbow Rocket. Rosie took the pilot's seat, Pip in the booster, Gus at the controls, Lily by the window. "Ready, crew?" Rosie called. "Ready!" they all shouted. The rainbow repair crew never wastes a second when a rainbow needs help. They buckled in, hearts pounding with excitement. The adventure to save the rainbow was about to begin. Would they fix it in time? Only one way to find out. Blast off. Rosie hit the big red button. Fizz! Pop! Whoosh! The rainbow rocket blasted off. They soared past clouds and chirping yellow birds. Pip cheered. "Let's go! Go! Go!" Lily spotted the problem. There, past that grumpy gray cloud, the rainbow was sad. Red faded, blue missing, yellow wobbly. "Oh dear," said Rosie. "That's one broken rainbow." Gus steered the rocket close. "Steady as we go, friends." The crew put on skywalking boots and stepped onto a marshmallowy cloud. The air smelled like rain and sunshine, but the broken rainbow made everything less cheerful. A purple bunny sat nearby, crying sparkly tears. "What's wrong?" Lily asked. "The rainbow's broken. My favorite red part is faded. I can't slide down it anymore." The crew knew they had to fix the rainbow, not just for the sky, but for all their friends. They got to work, determined to bring back the colors. Every color mattered, and every friend counted. The adventure to repair the rainbow had truly begun. Time to fix the red. Rosie eyed the faded red stripe, once bold, now barely there. "This is a job for me," Rosie declared. She grabbed her giant red paintbrush and dipped it in the brightest red paint. With each stroke, the red glowed stronger and happier. The purple bunny clapped. "It's working!" Red is the color of energy. It brought the rainbow back to life. Suddenly, a grumpy gnome peeked out. "Hey, I was napping on that faded red," Rosie giggled. "The rainbow needs to be bright. Red makes everyone smile." The gnome grumbled, but saw the bunny's joy and managed a tiny smile. Rosie finished, the red stripe now brilliant and bold. "See, everyone loves a bright red," she said. The rainbow looked much better, but there was more to do. With red restored, hope returned to the sky. But the blue stripe was still missing. The crew hurried to the next challenge. Time to bring back the blue. The middle of the rainbow was empty, no blue at all. "This looks like a job for me," said Gus. He pulled out his blue sprayer filled with the calmest, deepest blue. Gus sprayed a mist, filling the gap with peaceful color. A family of cloud sheep floated by, worried. "We nap on the blue stripe." "Don't worry," Gus smiled. "Blue's coming back." The blue shimmered, connecting the rainbow's ends. Blue is the color of calm and happy daydreams. The cloud sheep watched as the stripe glowed with gentle light. "Bah!" cheered the mama sheep, and the lambs bounced with joy. They snuggled on the new blue stripe, perfectly content. Gus patted his sprayer. A good day's work. The rainbow was healthier, but the yellow stripe still wobbled. With red and blue shining, only yellow needed help. The crew turned to Pip, ready for action. Would the rainbow shine again? The answer was just a squeeze away. Time for some sunshine. Pip zipped to the wobbly yellow stripe. This yellow needs more sunshine. He pulled out his sunshine squeezer, an accordion that played a happy tune and shot out golden sparks. Pip squeezed and played, sending sparks onto the stripe. With each spark, yellow grew brighter and steadier. Soon it shone like a field of buttercups. A flock of bluebirds tried to dance, but the stripe was too wobbly. "Don't worry," Pip grinned. "I'm filling it with happy power." He squeezed faster, and the yellow became solid and bright. The bluebirds cheered and danced their sunshine dance. Yellow is the color of joy and play. It makes every rainbow complete. Pip finished, and the yellow glowed with happiness. Now, the rainbow was almost perfect. But Lily had one last idea to make it magical. The crew gathered for the final touch. Time for some color magic. With red, blue, and yellow fixed, Lily saw a chance for more magic. "It's beautiful, but it could be even better," she said, opening her sparkly paint pots. She mixed Rosie's red and Pip's yellow. Whoosh! Bright orange appeared. She painted a new orange stripe. Then, yellow and blue. Swirl! Fresh green for the rainbow. Finally, blue and red. Zing! Deep purple for the end. The rainbow now had every color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. The crew admired their work. The bunny slid down the red, cloud sheep napped on blue, bluebirds danced on yellow. Everyone was happy. "We did it!" Rosie cheered. "No rainbow is too broken for us to fix," Gus rumbled. "We went, Pip added. Lily smiled. "And we did it together. Every color, and every friend, matters." They packed up, waved goodbye, and flew home, leaving a perfect rainbow shining over Rainbow Town. And so, the Rainbow Repair Crew saved the day. Together. Until the next color emergency, Rainbow Town sparkled with joy.